Hello everybody, my name is Trenton Marshall and welcome back to Awesome UAVs. Here we try to provide tips, tricks, drone regulations, different fun things, and just general safety concerns about drones. Now today's topic is flying a drone while drunk or getting a DUI with a drone. All those things kind of fall into the same category. So the big question is, can you get a DUI while you're flying a drone and you're intoxicated? Well, the quick answer is it depends on in your state and where you're located. And that's the simple part. The more complicated part is when you have to deal with the FAA. So if you are flying a drone and you are intoxicated and you crash the drone and you cause a significant amount of damage to where it actually gets reported to the FAA, you're going to have some problems. You're going to deal with fines. You're going to deal with having your license revoked if you have a Part 107 or a 333. They may seize your drone from you. There's all kinds of different things that can happen. I'm going to put a link in the description below because a lot of it you really have to sit through and understand from like a lawyer's perspective. And I am no legal advisor whatsoever, but you can get into a lot of trouble. The other thing that you have to worry about, locally is that obviously if you're flying a drone around and you're intoxicated and you crash the drone, you damage somebody's property, and the cops come, they fill out a report, they find out that you were actually drunk, they could probably charge you with, a DUI or a DWI. People have been charged with DUIs for riding skateboards and hitting people. People have been charged with DUIs and operating bicycles. Any sort of vehicle that you operate intoxicated, you probably could be hit with a DUI for. Now, how do we avoid this whole, drunken situation of flying a drone while drunk and being impaired and crashing and messing up somebody else's life, including yours? Well, the first thing you do is just don't drink and fly your drone. One of the regulations that the FAA does have in their guidelines is that if you are going to be flying a drone, you cannot consume alcohol within 24 hours of flying that drone. So if you're a drone pilot, if you're a hobbyist, if you're whatever, there's a 24-hour limit of when you last had your drink to when you can fly the drone. The other thing that if you go down into the regulations, you drill down a little bit more, it says that the actual the blood alcohol tolerance or limit that you're allowed to have is 0.04. Now, in most states where you're driving, the actual DUI limit is I believe 0.08. So it's half of that. So you probably can't even drink a wine cooler and fly. Not that I'm advocating that you drink anything and fly because we're going by the whole 24-hour rule, but there are strict guidelines in place that you must follow. You must not fly your drone or UAV drunk. It is a serious, serious, serious thing. People can get hurt. You can hit or destroy things. You could lose your aircraft. Your aircraft could be seized by authorities. You could be arrested. There's a whole slew of things that you do not want to happen to you if you get caught doing this. Either way, more of the story, don't fly drunk. Don't operate your drone drunk. Don't let your drunk buddy fly your drone or anything. Don't do anything drunk around drones, and you'll be perfectly fine. But either way, if you guys did like this video, share it with somebody who can share it with somebody else who might actually need to see this video. Or if you like this video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It's free, and you also get notifications on when I make new videos. Either way, like the video if you like it, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.